The best 5 breakfast recipes that can help you lose weight. In the morning, immediately after waking up, drink a lemon juice and half a liter of warm water. Do not add sugar or any sweetener. If you use cold water, the peristalsis of the gut is encouraged. 15 to 30 minutes later, drink a glass of fresh orange juice. Try these 5 breakfast recipes. 1. 15 to 30 minutes later, juice fresh raw vegetable juice, 1 or 2 cups, or carrot juice or mixed carrot juice, celery, parsley, and spinach. Or, carrot juice and spinach if the excretion is slow. Or the juice of carrot, radish, and cucumber. For most people, such juice breakfast is sufficient. But some people want something to eat. In that case, consume the following breakfast recipe. 1 to 2 bananas, well ripened, at no corner green, chopped 1/4 L fresh carrot juice, a little honey if you want to sweeten. Note, if you want to make a full-fat breakfast, you can add figs, grape plums, separately or in combination. 2. 1/2 apple, cut out a few dates, 1/4 liter of carrot juice and spinach. Later you can add a few nuts or almonds. 3. 1 to 2 pears, grated, 1/4 liter of carrot juice, radish, and cucumber. 4. 1 to 2 pears, 1/4 liter of carrot juice and celery. Apples, grated or cut into pieces of several dates, can be added, a few walnuts. 5. Peaches, apricots, pears and other fresh seasonal fruit, also 1/4 liter of fresh carrot juice or carrot juice and celery, or just whole celery juice. These juices are best for this type of breakfast. Note, if you add several figs and dates, whole or cut, you will qualitatively improve the mentioned meal.